Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Every girl just wants a classic, stylish pair of sandals to wear with their outfits, but yet at the same time comfortable. So Alexis Leroy has really checked off all the boxes. The first thing that your eyes are drawn to is the beautiful details. I just absolutely love all the tiny little things that they put into this to make this shoe a stylish, classy look. And I also like how the soles are thick, they've got good traction, it's got a good nice size heel, and it feels very comfortable when you're walking around them. It looks classy, but at the same time comfortable. And I love how you can wear it with so many different outfits. No matter what kind of dress that I wanted to wear, it just really combined well because of the beautiful color. Or if I just wanted to be able to use it with some type of pants or even some jeans, it just really classed it up. I walked around in these shoes all day long and they didn't bother my feet at all. They were very comfortable, and I had several people give me some really nice compliments. So if you're looking for some classy sandals that go with so many outfits, yet they're also comfortable, I love these, and that is just my point of view.